Did you know there's an incredibly easy way to make money right from your phone? Imagine earning cash simply by downloading apps and playing games. No catch, no hassle. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through exactly how it works and how you can get started immediately. Whether you're on your laptop or just using your phone, you can jump into this money-making hustle within minutes. No special skills required. Stick around to discover how you can effortlessly turn your spare time into extra cash. I recently discovered an incredible website called Free Cash that offers a unique way to earn money online through a variety of simple tasks. This platform allows users to make money by downloading apps, taking surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. With over 6.5 million users worldwide, Free Cash has already paid out more than $27 million to its members, demonstrating its reliability and popularity. Free Cash's user-friendly interface and diverse range of earning opportunities make it an attractive option for anyone looking to make extra income in their spare time. The platform is also highly rated, boasting over 20,000 positive reviews on Trustpilot, which speaks to its credibility and user satisfaction. One of the standout features of Free Cash is its partnerships with major companies such as Coinbase, Bitpanda, and Wargaming. These collaborations not only enhance the platform's trustworthiness, but also provide users with a variety of ways to redeem their earnings, including cryptocurrency, gift cards, and direct cash payments. In addition to its impressive payout record and positive reviews, Free Cash regularly offers promotions and bonuses to keep users engaged and motivated. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent seeking flexible work, or anyone in between, Free Cash provides an accessible and legitimate way to boost your income. First, you'll want to create a brand new account on Free Cash. The registration process is straightforward and quick, allowing you to get started in no time. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be greeted by the homepage, where the first thing you'll notice is the prominent option to earn rewards. Let's navigate through this together. To begin, click on the Earn tab. This section is your gateway to various earning opportunities available on the platform. If you need guidance at any point, Free Cash offers a helpful system with tutorials that can guide you through the website. These tutorials are designed to make your experience seamless and ensure you maximize your earnings. However, for now, we'll skip the tutorials and dive right into the earning process. On the homepage, you'll discover a wide array of games and other activities available for download. These activities are neatly categorized based on their compatibility with Android or Apple phones, making it easy to find tasks suitable for your device. This categorization ensures that you can quickly identify the tasks you can participate in without any compatibility issues. Some tasks on Free Cash, such as signing up for services, are straightforward and quick, allowing you to earn rewards with minimal effort. Others might require a bit more time and engagement, like playing games or completing in-depth surveys. The platform offers a diverse range of opportunities, making it worthwhile to spend time exploring different offers. For example, tasks that pay smaller amounts, like 45 cents for signing up for a service, might not seem significant at first. However, these smaller tasks can quickly add up over time, contributing to a substantial overall earning. This cumulative effect makes even the smallest tasks valuable and worth completing. Take the Cash App offer as an illustration. You can earn $3.75 just by downloading the Cash App. The process is simple. Create an account, install the app, register, and choose your cash tag. It's a quick and easy way to make a few dollars. Completing several similar tasks can significantly boost your earnings in a short period. Moreover, Free Cash regularly updates its list of available tasks and offers, ensuring that there's always something new to engage with. This constant influx of opportunities keeps the platform dynamic and exciting, providing users with fresh ways to earn money. The variety of tasks also means you can choose activities that best fit your interests and availability, whether you prefer quick tasks or more involved ones. Exploring other offers on Free Cash can also be quite lucrative. Featured offers, in particular, tend to pay the most and are usually the quickest to complete. These offers are highlighted for their high payouts and ease of completion, making them an excellent starting point for maximizing your earnings. Once you've finished exploring the Earn section, you can move on to the Offer section. This section is neatly organized, allowing you to easily navigate through the various opportunities available. For example, Some tasks simply require you to sign up for services, which can earn you money with minimal effort. These tasks are a great way to quickly boost your earnings without investing too much time. In the Game tab, you'll find over 300 offers related to playing games. These offers involve downloading and playing games to certain levels, providing substantial rewards upon completion. It's a fun and engaging way to earn money, and you can even involve your family, especially if you have kids who enjoy gaming. By turning game time into a profitable activity, you can make earning money a fun and collaborative effort. If you prefer surveys, FreeCash offers a range of options under the Survey or Quiz tab. These sections feature straightforward quizzes and surveys that also contribute to your earnings. Surveys are an excellent way to earn money by sharing your opinions on various topics, and they can be completed at your convenience. The platform ensures that the surveys are relevant and engaging, making the process enjoyable and rewarding. When you're ready to cash out your earnings on FreeCash, you'll find more than 20 withdrawal options available, offering a high degree of flexibility and convenience based on your preferences. You can transfer money directly to your PayPal account or opt to receive it in the form of gift cards for various retailers. This variety ensures that you can choose the payout method that best suits your needs. After completing a few tasks on the platform, you'll start accumulating points. These points can then be converted into real money through a straightforward process. Let me show you how easy it is to transfer your earnings and convert them into real cash. First, navigate to the Cash Out section by clicking on the Cash Out or Withdraw option. This section is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the process step by step. For demonstration purposes, let's select the PayPal option, as it is one of the most popular and convenient methods for receiving payments. Next, choose the amount you wish to transfer. For instance, let's say you want to withdraw a $5 PayPal deposit. Click on Withdraw, and you will then be prompted to confirm your choice by clicking Receive PayPal Cash Out and subsequently Redeem. You will be asked to enter your PayPal email address for verification purposes. This step ensures that the funds are transferred to the correct account. Once you have entered and confirmed your PayPal email address, click Transfer. Within moments, the money will be transferred directly to your PayPal account, and you will receive a confirmation of the successful transaction. It's a good practice to start with a smaller amount, such as $5, to ensure that the process works smoothly before transferring larger sums. This precaution helps you verify that everything is functioning correctly and gives you confidence in the platform's reliability. It's fascinating to see how much money people can earn using FreeCash. Many users dedicate consistent time and effort to the platform, achieving significant earnings over time. This commitment highlights the platform's potential as a viable source of supplementary income. And there you have it. FreeCash offers a unique and accessible way to earn money right from your phone or laptop. With its user-friendly interface, diverse range of tasks, and reliable payout options, it's easy to see why so many people are using this platform to boost their income. Whether you're signing up for services, playing games, or taking surveys, each task you complete brings you closer to your earnings goals. And with regular updates and new opportunities, there's always something fresh to keep you engaged and motivated. Remember, the key to maximizing your earnings is consistency and exploration. Spend some dedicated time on the platform, try out different tasks, and take advantage of featured offers and promotions. Every small task adds up, and before you know it, you'll see a significant boost in your earnings. So why wait? Create your FreeCash account today and start earning money effortlessly. Happy earning! So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.